guys, Cheryl here today with another Dollar Tree haul. This is a pretty large one for me. I usually don't do large hauls, but we'll get started. I'm going to try to keep it in some sort of order. Hope everybody's doing okay. We've been doing all right around here. We've had some awesome weather. I even got outside and did some yard work this weekend. And everything is blooming, so it's going to mess up my pretty cherry and plum trees and my daffodils for Easter, but that's okay. It happens. But let's get started. So I want to show you, I picked up these little Cheez-Its 4-pack, and I picked up 2 of them, and I thought they would make a great little easy snack to go in lunch. And then I picked up 2 of these goldfish. These are the 4-ounce containers. Sometimes they have the little teeny ones, but I'm thinking, why would you buy the small ones when you get the big ones? And then got this Rip It drink for my husband. It's a citrus flavor. It has 0 calories and I think no sugar. And I saw these 2 last jars on the bottom shelf, and it's the Del Monte pickled beets, crinkle cut, non-GMO, 16 ounces. I don't particularly care for beets, but my husband likes them, so we got these 2. And then got one, I think one was a fruit cocktail. He already opened and took that out of my bag, but got the peach slices from Libby's. And then another food product I got was just this little small thing of premium extra virgin olive oil. I thought this would be a good thing to use for quick sauteing if I needed olive oil. I don't buy it that much because it's so expensive. And then I got garlic with slices. Figured I'd get this, that way I won't have to worry about peeling the garlic. And then I picked up 2 of these mushrooms. This is a 10-ounce jar. I really like these mushrooms. They're really good. I'm going to use them in a recipe that I'm going to make shortly. And you know, I had to get my sweetmeats. And so I got just 2 of those. Then I got 4 of these, but I'm just going to show you one of the apple juicy juice and just one of the fruit punch. And I got these. This is new by Russell Stover. It's sugar-free chocolate candy made with stevia, and it's coconut. And it has 4 in the package. And so I picked up 2, so I'm going to be trying those out. And so hopefully they're good and I can eat those. This I found, it was for a 4-pack, and this is, it says new, but I thought, oh, it's Mentos, but it's now mints and orange flavor, and it was 4 and they're 10 cans. So if you follow me, you know why I want these for the 10 cans. I think that's all the food stuff. Well, I do have a couple little Easter things, but I'll show you when I get to that. Beauty or related, I picked up this little Ouchless 7-pack for ponytails. The ones I got before were 15. They weren't goodies. They break very easy. So I said, let me try these. Just a 2-pack of Dow soap. And then I saw this. It's a little bent up, but I wanted it. Anyway, it's the Lemon, Verbena, and Mint Body Cream by Bolero. And I could smell it from the top. It's a good smell. So I'm glad that I found that. Went to a different store. My store never has that stuff. I found other people have been hauling these. These are the LA Colors Conceal and Correct. And I don't have my glasses on, so I'll have to look to see what happens for each color. but this is the like lavender color one. Conceal Correct is what they're all called. This is the green one. I'm not sure if that's for dark circles under the eyes. This is like a little beige color one. And then I have this one. I think I saw that it says that this one is the highlighter. And this one is yellow. So I'm not quite sure what all these are for right now, but I'll either save them and give them away or test them out to see how it works. I just picked up these Assured panty liners. There's 40 in there. I think I picked these before. Can't remember if I liked them, but we'll see. And then I saw these fashion socks for kids. They look a little big, but he'll grow into them. This one has like the little baseball bats and balls. And this is just red and black. And this is white with some red and black stripes for Isaac. And then my husband picked these little LED push lights up. He wants to use them in his bookshelf to shine light on some of the things in his cabinet. And then he picked up some AAA batteries. I don't know if those, no, they don't go with that. And then a pack of 9-volt. And then I just got some Crest toothpaste whitening with baking soda and peroxide, fresh mint. And then he got one of these lighter things for the grill. He tried to grill and said something didn't work right and burnt something up. And that was probably one of them. Okay, so I'm going to jump to the few Easter things that I got. Russell Stover again. These are coconut mini eggs and dark chocolate, individually wrapped. Let's see. So it's got about probably 6 pieces in there. So I'm going to compare these, well, even though it is dark chocolate, to the sugar-free. And I'll let you know how that goes. And I got from my grandson these Harbo Happy Hoppers gummies. They had these again this year. And these are really good, actually. I don't like gummies, but those taste pretty good. And then whenever I see these, usually at Christmas and Easter, are the SpongeBob SquarePants Gummy Krabby Patties candy. So I'm going to have to put this Easter stuff up so he doesn't see it before then. And then I got me 2 dish towels. I thought this one was cute with the little bunnies and eggs on it. So I got that one. And then I saw this one with the bunny on it. Isn't that cute? And then I picked up another one of these vacuum storage bags. This is large. I don't think this is the size that I need for my grates on my stove, but I could use it for something else. I think I need the extra large. And just got a thing of these Scotty tissues. And some more of my sponges. This is a really good deal. It's 6 in a pack. If you don't like them, you throw them away. And then this Glad, they had this 60, what is it? 33% more free. So it's 60 square feet instead of 45. So that's pretty good. And then I picked up this multi-surface cleans and deodorizes Pine Sol. I got this because this is very good to spray around your patio and your chairs outside because it keeps flies away. And it really does work. And then I got some more of these Final Touch fabric sheets. Can you believe, if you look back on one of my other hauls, which wasn't that long ago, 35 sheets. I've already used 35 sheets, so that meant I've washed 35 loads of clothes since, what? I'll have to check back, probably 3 weeks ago. And I just picked up this 35 bonus fluid ounces of the liquid fabric softener. So, for all that said, I think that's all I got this time. And I think that's all I can share for you on this video. So I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.